We are pleased to show you the 2020 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 700 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.